If you're considering opening a Capital One account in 2025, you need to watch this video before you make that decision. I'm going to give you the complete, unfiltered truth about Capital One's banking services, including the hidden fees they don't advertise and the features that might surprise you. Capital One has been aggressively marketing their banking services, positioning themselves as a tech forward alternative to the traditional banks. But is the hype justified? Today, you'll get an honest, comprehensive review of Capital One's banking accounts, from their checking and savings options to their credit cards and overall customer experience. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether Capital One is the right fit for your financial needs. Capital One Financial Corporation started as a credit card company in 1994 but has evolved into a full service digital bank. They're known for their tech first approach and have been positioning themselves as a challenger to traditional brick and mortar banks. With over 70 million customers, they're one of the largest banks in the United States. You'll notice that Capital One focuses heavily on digital banking. They've invested billions in technology infrastructure aiming to provide a seamless online and mobile banking experience. Their approach is built around simplicity, transparency, and eliminating many of the fees that traditional banks charges. The flagship checking account is the 360 checking, and it's where most people start their Capital One journey. Here's what you need to know about the features and limitations. You won't pay monthly maintenance fees, which is a significant advantage over many traditional banks. There's no minimum balance requirement, making it accessible if you're just starting out or prefer to keep lower balances. You'll also get unlimited check writing and free online bill pay. Capital One operates around 70,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide, including locations at CVS, Walgreens, and many other retailers. However, you'll pay a $2 per transaction at non-Capital One ATMs, though they do reimburse some fees if you maintain higher balances or meet certain criteria. You have the option to link your checking account to a savings account or credit card for overdraft protection. If you don't offer protection and overdraw your account, you'll face a $35 overdraft fee. However, Capital One does provide a grace period where they won't charge fees for overdrafts under $5 or if you bring your account positive within 24 hours. The Capital One mobile app is genuinely impressive. You can deposit checks, transfer money, pay bills, and even freeze your debit card if it's lost. The app includes spending categorization, budgeting tools, and real time transaction notifications. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate even for less tech savvy users. If you travel internationally, you'll appreciate that Capital One doesn't charge foreign transaction fees on debit card purchases. However, you will still face ATM fees when withdrawing cash abroad, typically around $2 plus whatever the foreign ATM charges. The 360 Performance Savings Account is Capital One's high yield savings option, and it's competitive in the current market. You'll earn a variable APY that's typically much higher than traditional banks. As of early 2025, rates have been fluctuating, but Capital One consistently offers competitive rates compared to other online banks. The rate applies to your entire balance, not just amounts above a certain threshold. You can access your savings through the same mobile app and online platform as your checking account. Transfers between Capital One accounts are instant, and you can set up automatic savings transfers to help build your emergency fund consistently. Your deposits are FDIC insured up to $250,000 per depositor, providing the same protection you'd get at any traditional bank. Capital One's financial stability and regulatory compliance make it a safe choice for your savings. You're limited to 6 withdrawals per month from your savings account, which is standard for most banks due to federal regulations. Exceeding this limit may result in fees or account conversion to checking. One of Capital One's strongest selling points is how well their banking and credit card services integrate. If you're already a Capital One credit card holder, adding a bank account creates a seamless financial ecosystem. You'll find credit cards for every credit level, from secured cards for building credit to premium travel rewards cards. The Venture series offers excellent travel rewards, while the Quicksilver provides straightforward cashback. The Savor card is popular among restaurant and entertainment enthusiasts. Capital One is known for being relatively accessible to people with fair credit. They offer credit limit increases, free credit monitoring, and tools to help you improve your credit score over time. The integration with your banking account makes it easy to set up automatic payments and track your overall financial picture. Many Capital One credit cards offer competitive rewards programs. You can redeem rewards for cashback, travel, or statement credits directly through your banking app, making the process seamless and user friendly. Capital One prioritizes digital customer service, which means you'll primarily interact with them through their app, website, or chat functions. The mobile app includes comprehensive self service options, and most common issues can be resolved without speaking to a human representative. When you do need to call, wait times can vary significantly. During peak hours, you might wait 15 to 30 minutes, but the representatives are generally knowledgeable and empowered to resolve issues. The 24/7 availability is convenient for urgent matters. Capital One has a limited branch network compared to traditional banks. If you prefer in person banking, this could be a significant drawback. Their cafe style locations focus more on consultation than traditional teller services. Capital One eliminates many fees that traditional banks charges. You won't pay monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance fees, or check writing fees. There are no fees for online bill, mobile deposits, or account statements. You'll still encounter some fees, such as $2 for out of network ATM usage, $35 for overdrafts, and $15 for returned items. International wire transfers cost $50 and domestic wires are $30. Stop payment requests cost $25. While Capital One is transparent about most fees, you should be aware that earning maximum interest rates might require maintaining higher balances or meeting certain criteria that aren't immediately obvious. Capital One has invested heavily in security technology. You'll benefit from two factor authentication, biometric login options, and real time fraud monitoring. The ability to instantly freeze and unfreeze your debit card through the app is particularly useful. The bank consistently updates its technology platform, regularly adding new features and improving user experience. Their spending analytics, budgeting tools, and financial insights are more sophisticated than many traditional banks offers. What you love about Capital One is it has no monthly maintenance fees on checking or savings, competitive high yield savings rates, excellent mobile app and digital banking experience, no foreign transaction fees on debit cards, strong credit card integration and rewards programs, robust security features and fraud protection, transparent fee structure. What might frustrate you is the limited branch network for in person banking, $2 fee for out of network ATM usage, customer service wait times during peak hours, overdraft fees of $35 if you don't offer protection. Some advanced features require higher balances, and international ATM fees for cash withdrawals. Capital One has successfully positioned itself as a modern tech forward bank that eliminates many traditional banking frustrations. For most people, especially those who value convenience and hate fees, it's a solid choice in 2025. However, your decision should ultimately depend on your specific banking habits and preferences. Before you make your final decision, consider trying their services with a small deposit to test the user experience. Remember, you can always change banks if Capital One doesn't meet your needs.